Intro: imagine a living room with no TV. Just a clean, minimalist floor. You press a button, and suddenly, a sleek aluminum column rises from the ground, unfolding itself like a piece of high-tech origami. The hook: this isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. This is the C-Seed M1. Designed by Porsche Design Studio, it's a 165-inch micro-LED masterpiece that costs more than a Ferrari. But is it just a billionaire's toy? Or is it the future of home cinema? Let's find out. The engineering here is insane. It uses 4K micro-LED technology, providing deeper blacks and more vibrant colors than your standard OLED. But the real magic is the adaptive gap calibration. When these 5 massive panels unfold, you'd expect to see seams or lines, right? Wrong. The TV uses high-resolution sensors to measure the gaps down to the micrometer and automatically adjusts the brightness of the edge pixels. The result: a perfectly seamless, giant display. Indoor versus outdoor. C-Seed offers 2 main versions. There's the M1 for your ultra-luxury living room, and then there's the 201, the world's largest outdoor TV. The outdoor version is a beast. It's fully waterproof and pumps out 4,000 nits of brightness. That means even under the direct midday sun, your movie looks crystal clear. The verdict now: let's talk about the elephant in the room. The price. Depending on the size, you're looking at anywhere from $110,000 to over $600,000. And that's before you pay for the massive construction project to hide it under your floor. Call to action: is it overkill? Absolutely. Is it the coolest piece of tech I've ever seen? Without a doubt. If you had the money, would this be in your house? Or is it just too much? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more luxury tech tours. I'll see you in the next one.